Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty predictions for coming Wednesday. Before that, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notification. Please do like and post your comments on the comment section. So today we are going to see the Bank Nifty predictions first. Let us open the Bank Nifty in our trading window with 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy for our trades. So right now I am having support and resistance, 3 supports I am having and 2 resistance I am having. So this setup is very much fine for our trades. So see here the Bank Nifty moved full upside and we can see a lot of rejections over here in this first resistance area. So I feel that there is a high probability for Bank Nifty will fall in the upcoming days, because today's I see some very good rejections, very good sellers power candle today. Out of these all 3 days you can see very power selling power candle is there. I am going to show here now. I am going to encircle here. See here, out of this past 3 days, today only we can see some sellers pressure in the market. You could see here in the circled area, it's a very good sellers process have came here. So if the market not breaks this resistance one, there is a possibilities, high possibilities for reach the support 2. Market can go in the downside and it can hit this support line 2. There is high possibilities is there because of selling power candles. Here only one selling power candle has visible here, but this is the indications for sellers participation in the market. You can see here very good sellers participation in the market. So only the condition it should not break this resistance one. Then right now the trend seems to be in upside, but the visibility of the sellers power candle is also important. We have to notice that one. So there is a high possibilities for Bank Nifty can go in the downside. Even support 2, support 3 also possible, we may not sure, but first at least it should break this support 1. Once it's break this support 1, there is a chance for hit the support 2. So I am expecting within these 2 days I am expecting the Bank Nifty will go in the downside directions and it will hit our support line 2. That's what I am expecting. Here I am going to draw here, expecting the market will go in the downside direction because of this selling power candles. So because of the selling power candles, I am expecting the Bank Nifty will move in the downside directions. Only the condition is it should not break this resistance 1. If it is not break this resistance 1 and if it should break this support 1, when these 2 things happen, we can easily expect the Bank Nifty will go and hit the support line 2. So this is my expectation in Bank Nifty. Let us make the targets for our put orders. I am expecting the Bank Nifty will touch 35,500 is possible within expiry day. Only the thing is the market should go in the downside directions, that we need to see. If the market breaks this support 1, then this target 35,000, sorry I was written as 35,700, let's make into 35,500. so if the market breaks this support line 1, then we can see this target easily. 35,500 is easily possible. Only the condition is market should not break this resistance 1 and it should break the support line 1. That is the only thing. So let's see what will happen in the tomorrow, and we will update in our WhatsApp group, and if possible we can take our trades. This is what I am expecting in the Bank Nifty. Now let us move on to the Nifty predictions. Let me open the Nifty in our trading window with the 45 minutes time frame chart. Normally 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy. Here you could see here I am having 3 support line as well as only 1 resistance line, that too horizontal resistance line, that is at 16,350 rupees. So this resistance is enough for us you could see here in this out of these all candles we can see some selling power candle here, visibility. I'm going to here whichever I encircled here, that is the selling power candle we can see here. I'm going to indicate the in arrow. So this candle is very important also for put orders. When the market not breaks this 16,350 and it should break this support line 1, then we can easily see the market will touch support line 2. That is possible. And sellers participation also have raised today, that too in the second half. You could see here the sellers participation, very good sellers participation is there, and pullback is there, that is okay. But afterwards we can see again and the red candle in the last 15 minutes we can see very good red candles. So there is a possibilities for the market will go in the downside directions. So I am expecting the Nifty will move in the downside direction by 1 or 2 days. If it moves in the downside directions, then we can look for put trades. If it's break this support line 1, then we can hold our trades for till our support line 2. Already market reached some new height, Nifty reached some new height, and I am expecting some retracement at least. Maybe in the future Nifty may go in the future further up, but some retracement should happen. So that's what I'm thinking for this 2 days. Most probably it should support for our trades. I'm expecting the Nifty will touch 16,000 is my target for 2 days, not for tomorrow, for these 2 days. Only the thing is it should break this support line. If it's break this support line 1, definitely the Nifty will touch 16,000 is possible, highly possible. Only thing, market should go in the negative side. So we will see in the market tomorrow and we will take up our trades. Finally, we conclude that both Nifty and Bank Nifty will move in the downside directions. For Bank Nifty, 35,500 is the target. For Nifty, 16,000 is the target. Let me see what will happen in the real-time market. If supports, we can take up our trades. We will update in our WhatsApp group and we can take up our trades. If you want the support for tradings, you can contact me in this number. Then you can also trade with me. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching the video. If the videos are useful, please do like, share and subscribe. Please click the bell icon for further notification. And thank you and grow with us. Good night.